Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting shark. So let's start to draw. At first we will draw the structure of the shark, the body structure. Yes, like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Drawing is so easy. You just need to do practice and practice. Yes, like that. Follow step by step. Now we will draw the shark eyes. Yes, the shark is looking dangerous. Yes, and this shark teeth also looking so sharp. Wow, it looks scary. Yes, like that. Now it's time to learn the colors. This is gray color. The shark body color is gray color. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.